Da-da-da-da. Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we, my darlings? Are we living and loving? This is a trench coat that I have had, my God, for over 25 years. A lot of you ask me, Fumi, how do you keep your clothes so pristine? I lay them flat and I use rice paper and I just put them in layers and I keep them in cool, dark, dry places in bins. That's what I do. And I just preserve them until I want to wear them again. So let me get up. There you go. It's a wonderful coat. I live and love it. And sometimes I will wear it on its own just because I want to be zhazh. And then sometimes I will wear it, you know, open. And I have like maybe jeans or trousers underneath. But today I'm just wearing it just as a dress. Are we living and loving? All right. So why are we here? I'll tell you why we're here. Let me get my computer. And we shall start. All right, so darlings, we have a wonderful Fumi Nation sister, and this is by the scriptee. Bless her heart. Okay, Fumi, I love your show, and I love that you take care of yourself so well. However, I do not believe that you have never had gray hair at 57. I'm going to be 57 next month, my darling. My birthday, to be exact, is the 16th of April. Yeah, I just found out that Selena, that passed away in 1995, she was also 16th of April. If you are 16th of April, drop it down in the comments. I find that I don't get that many people that are on the same birthday as me, but I will be 57 on the 16th of April. She goes on to say, well, let me read the sentence again. However, I do not believe that you have never had gray hair at 57. I thought you are comfortable enough in your skin to admit that you dye your grays. There should be no shame in that. You know what it is for me? It is the confidence that you actually believe what you're saying. That you actually believe that, you know what, Fumi, I know you. I am in your house. And I know your genetic makeup. I know your life. And I know that you have so and so. Oh, wow. I was shocked, naturally. So needless to say, we had a whole bunch of Fumi Nation who came up behind us said, it always scares me how folks that don't know you on a personal level are so comfortable speaking about things in one's life. How can you speak so confidently about someone? Where does this type of nerve and audacity come from? Please, please, let's never be confused that the fact that influencers post, share, or tell us about their lives is equal to us knowing them in a deeper level. Laugh out loud. What they tell us doesn't even make 5% of who they are. We don't know them at all. The earlier we all understand this, the better. It will save us from making ignorant statements and embarrass ourselves on socials. Moreover, let's develop the habit of doing a bit of research. Please, before she opens our mouths. We are so rich when it comes to resources, but we don't utilize it wisely. God bless and happy Women's Month to all of us. Oh God, I know many women who didn't gray until their 60s. I'm 46 and I have the same 11 gray hairs since 36, barely visible. Many people think I dye my hair and lie about it. What would be the point? Wouldn't mind a head of gray hair. My mom is about to clock 70 and has only 2 strands of gray hair. My maternal grandmom also had a late start with gray hair too. I am 41 and I have no gray hairs, but some of my mates do. It goes on to say, she was thinking the same, but in Fumi's defense, I'm 59 years old, mostly gray, but my mother-in-law in her late 70s barely has any gray hair. No dye, believe some grey early in life and some later. My mom is 58 and a couple of grey hairs only just started growing earlier this year. So it's very possible. My mom is 62 years old. Her hair is still black. It's genetic. It's disrespect your superpower. Shame on you. I sent grace, forgiveness, and love before. In Fumi's defense, based on genetics, I come from a family that grays early. I started graying as early as 20, in my mid-30s, and almost all grayed out. My 40-year-old brother picked the same genes, and he's all grayed, both beard and head. He recently came to visit at home, and the guard commented, "This old man has a lot of swag, dressed like a 40-year-old on a summer's day." He thought he was my dad or uncle or something of the sorts. What drugs are you on? Because clearly you are not sober. Someone give this some milk immediately. I believe Fumi. My father is 81, going on 82, and has just started having a couple of grey hairs coming into his head. His beard is still greyless. My burning question is, why does this person care about any of this? Whether you did or didn't, what would inspire someone to type and press send on something like this? More love, more life, gracious Fumi. My auntie is 73 and has not one single grey hair. I am 48 and started to go grey in my mid-20s. What are you saying? My dad is in his 80s, no single grey hair. My mom is in her 70s, full grey hair, and I'm in my 30s and I have a few. Why do you feel the need to police her grey hairs? You are super loud and wrong about it. Fumi's diet is probably on point, because most people develop grey hair well before their 30s, even because of deficiency in minerals. Please do your research before coming onto the internet to display your ignorance. And it went on and on and on. I'm only 36 and my hair has just started going grey. Yes, it's genetics. I was in my 20s. My grandmother could have been in her early 70s with beautiful black hair. So this fool over here isn't blessed like that. Right on for me. So you can see that they have spoken very well on my behalf. So this is what I have to say. My parents are in their 80s. They don't have any grey hair. I think maybe I saw one or two sprouting from my mom. But the great majority, no. It's genetic. Do you know how badly I want to have grey hair so that I can show it off? I share a lot with you guys. I do. And still, there's somebody who feels, no, I want to know more. And even if I share with you, I don't want to believe you. But the thing is that it's genetic. Nothing short of it. Nothing at all. All of you saw my sister who came for the meet and greet. It's genetic. End of. When I go grey, I will let you know. I don't even have to let you know. I will show you. Because when push comes to shove, I don't have anything really to hide. I don't. I am so proud that I have come this far. Really and truly, I am grateful. Sometimes now, I see somebody has passed away. And I see that they were born in 1973 or 1974. I was born in 69. And I think for me, you're so blessed to be here. I don't even want to be 20, 30, 40. I don't want to be those years. I've done it. I want to move on. I want to have my lines. I want to have my hair. I want to be healthy. My focus is Adrian. My focus is my husband. We've only just started now, really, putting our wills together, getting trustees together, writing out what we want to do, and in preparation, in the event, one of us, whomever goes first. It's a frightening thing because I don't ever want to leave Adrian. I sometimes feel as if I don't want to leave Adrian, I don't want to leave Ariel, because I have 2 children. And I am so grateful that they'll be together when I'm gone, when Ula has gone. I say this because when you think about that, going grey is so trivial. It's so unimportant. It's so, God, it's just not important. It's not important. I come out here, I entertain you, and we talk about pop culture, fashion, style, current affairs. But my life is so important to me because of those that are more important in my life. So I'm not trying to hide grey hair. It doesn't make sense. It's an anomaly in a way, and it's genetic, and my siblings are the same way. So it's nothing to hide at all. I've gotten a bit emotional now because I didn't know I was going to, because we are putting things in place. I'm going to be 60 in another 3 years, and you know how time flies. And then you're going to be 70 by the grace of God, 80, and it's kind of countdown from there in the event that you even get there. And you see so many people pass away. So many young people pass away, and I will say this before I go. I really was just living my best life. I didn't think about anything. I just thought I always had time until Kobe Bryant passed away. I don't know why. I don't know why it touched me so deeply, but it did. He was only 40. His youngest, 4th daughter was 7 months old. He had played and built a career out of basketball. He had just retired and he was sent home. He was called home. I remember when I got that call, I ran up to Adrian's room, and it has never left me since. The time we have on this earth is a gift. For me anyway, it's a gift. Every day when I wake up, I say, Fumi, you got another chance to do it. That's what happens when you're on the other side of 50. Because I've been on this earth longer than the time that I've got left in front of me. And that worries me. That worries me. Not grey hair. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button. And I will see you sooner than later. And for my 50s girlies, let me know what your ages are. 51, 3, 4, even in your 40s, 30s. Let me know what your ages are. Put it down in the comment section. And perhaps what I'll do an episode of when I was 32, when I was 45, when I was 17. Just put it down in the comments. And to my sisters that are in their 60s and 70s and 80s and 90s, thank you for, trailblazing, for teaching me, for showing me, for all of the messages that I get on the sidelines. Thank you very much for pushing me, for protecting me, and for standing up for me. I love you so very much. I truly do. And I am humbled beyond measure. I got to love you and leave you. But I'll be back tomorrow. Love you. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button. And I'll see you what? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love.
Guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking